Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 13th March and my video topic is the storytelling topic, and the story name is Tenali Tales. Raman is the outsmart of chief. Once upon a time, it is a big city is a Vijayanagar, and this are the king is a Krishna Devaraya. There are so many, all the men are live in a happy. In this Nagar, Vijayanagar, one family, this is Tenali Ram family, are happy, and this Tenali is a work in the king office. Once upon a day, Tenali are thinking that they are going to the Tirupati city because of they to the shop buy the jewelry, and they decide to go to tomorrow. Then next day, Tenali Raman start his journey, and then walking to the going to the in this Tirupati city. Before that, the more jungle will be situated in the both the city, in between both the city. When Tenali are going traveler to the Tirupati city, on the way the one man will be found that, and they one man will be found that, and this man to say Tenali Ram, I also going to the Tirupati city. I will join you, and both you will go together. And they also say that in the jungle, the more of the thief will be situated. They are more dangerous and robber the money. And when Tenali Raman agree to join with us, and they going to together going to the city. When walking all of day, and then at the night they say think that they sleep rest to the in the forest. At the night they then Tenali Raman are sleep early because of the more are walking, and they are to rest to sleep early. Then this man, unknown man, this time will be. This is not normal person. This is a thief, and the business will be of the journey. They robber the money of the another person. When after Tenali Raman sleeping, they searching the money of the Tenali Raman pocket, and anywhere Tenali Raman bag, and any more to searching the money, and they both more searching, but nothing will be found in the Tenali Raman, and they frustrated that, but nothing will be found in the Tenali Raman bags, and also searching there. Then next day, the journey will be resumed to the same path, and they going to the city, but they are not another day. They are rest to another day. They are not complete the journey because they are city is more distance, and then another day are rest to the in forest, and at that day also same thing will be happen when Tenali Ram sleeping early, and also this unknown man, this is not unknown man, this is the thief, and then they are found that any important and some money will be found, that they searching the Tenali Ram below the pillow, and Tenali Ram pocket, any search anywhere, but nothing will be found, and they are more frustrated, and more frustrated, and because they nothing will be found, and they thinking that where is the money, because they not see where is they thinking that where is the money, but nothing will be see the money. In next day, this man starting the journey. Next day they going reach to the Tirupati city. At that day, they Thiper Thiper will be agree the this I am not I am the robber, and agree that I agree that I am will be Thiper, and then say that I am will be in my life there nothing will be failure will be happen, but at that time will be failure will be happen. To say that Tenarira, where is the money will be found? I am will be search everywhere, but nothing will be found in your packet and your bag. Tenali Raman smile that, and they tell that to search in below the pillow. They search in the below the Thiparan say that I am searching to the below the below the pillow, but not will be found. Tenaliram say that nothing in my below to search in your below. Great, at that time they surprised that this man this robber, and they will not search in the itself itself below the pillow, and that time they accept that Tenaliram is a very they smile at, and they this is all about the story. The moral of the story is the think ahead of the thicker. Think when you in your competitor to think another level, not in the same level. Think ahead the thicker is the moral of the today's story. This is it is also this is the story of the today topic, and also discuss about the moral of the story. Thank you.